Here is the Wordle game which we made in an Excel, and first we will see a demo of this Wordle game with today's word, and then we'll see how it is prepared. So let's start the demo. Let me try with a word first. I'll try the 5-letter word cloud first. So C, L, O, all these 3 letters are not found. D is there, but it's in a different place. The same goes with D. So let me try now a different word with D and U, which are available. Now we can see T is also there. So let me try a different word with T in a different place. So we found the actual location of T as well. Yeah, so we found 2 more letters. So V is not in its place, so we should be there in the available slot. Same goes with E. So let's try that. Yeah, that's it. So I mean, we were able to successfully find the word, so it shows the status here and here as well. So let me show. I had hidden the word which need to be found here in the 3rd row, which is which is here. So this is the game. So let's see how this is made. So we have the word to be found hidden here. I mean, we'll be hiding this row, and we have the keyboard here over here, and what we are doing is we are typing the characters here, and based on the result, if it is matching, it will say well done, I mean you have done a good job. Otherwise it will say, I mean, to try again. So as you can see here, there is a this has an equation. It will concatenate the previous this section, and it will see if that is blank, this section also will be blank. If it is matching exactly with the actual hidden word, it will say well done, or it will say try again. So that's the equation we have here, and same goes with this and this also, I mean till here. So it will try, I mean it will do a concatenate of this section, and it will see whether it is matching with the actual or not. Then accordingly it will give the character, I mean the word here. Same goes here. I mean we have an equation here which will test whether any of this is matching, I mean well done, then it will print congrats, otherwise it will not. Okay, so and here if you see, we have for the coloring purpose, we have conditional formatting for all these sections, and we actually have it for these as well, but for the because of the version of Excel right now we have, this is not working out. So what I have to use, I mean I prepared it in a different I mean latest version of Excel. Right now this is Excel 2013, where some of the concatenate and some of the functions are not working. So that's why I can show you that. So if I click on this, maybe any one row, and if I see the conditional formatting, let me show that to you. So as you can see here, I have all these rules here. So if any of this is matching, it will say in green color, otherwise it will show in this color. Okay, so that rules are hidden here, I mean mentioned here, and same goes with these cells as well. I can show you that also. So like I mentioned, we have conditional formatting for these as well. Let me show that to you. So as I mentioned, it is not working because of some of the functions difference in this version of Excel. So this is the formula. This, it will be showing up in this color if there is any character found out, I mean, or used character. So as you can as you can see here, this concat function is a newer is available in a newer version of Excel. It is actually the concatenate function, so that's why it shows up like this XLFN. So I can modify this and make this work, but it's a little bit of work, that's why I didn't do that. So that same rule is applied on all these cells. So whenever we are typing any character here, it should change the color here as well. But as I said, it is not working because of that function difference. But I can make it work, but it's a little bit of work, so that's why I didn't do that. But if you can see here, I have made the difference. I mean, I changed the concatenate rule, so that's working well over here. So that's how this Wordle is made. Maybe we can try different words. I mean, whichever words of your choice, our choice, as the hidden word, and we can try this out. That's it in this video. Thank you everyone for watching. Please feel free to subscribe to our channel for more similar videos. Thank you.